Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Cubot P80 Pro. You have to start with opening your Google app, and now click on your avatar and click on Settings. Now click on Google Assistant and scroll down and click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google, then click on More and I agree, More and I agree, Continue, and now click on Voice Model and click on Retrain Voice Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click Finish, and then click back again, and now click on Lock Screen. Then click here to allow this Google Assistant to work on lock screen. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.